Developers are canceling their ChatGPT subscriptions in record numbers. Not because AI got worse. Because something happened that most people completely missed. A new generation of free, local AI models just crossed a line that changes everything. Here is what is happening. For the last 2 years, if you wanted a powerful AI model, you had to pay for it. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, they all charged monthly subscriptions or API fees. That was the deal. That deal is breaking down right now. Local AI models you download and run directly on your own computer, have quietly become competitive with the paid giants. We are talking about models like Llama 3.3, Mistral, and Qwen 2.5. These are free, open source, and they now match or beat GPT-4 on real coding tasks. The numbers are hard to ignore. In benchmark after benchmark, the top local models score within 5 percentage points of the best commercial models. On coding specifically, the thing developers use AI for the most, some local models are actually pulling ahead. And the hardware side has caught up too. Running a powerful local model used to require a $10,000 server rack. Now it runs on a consumer gaming GPU that costs less than a used car. Developers are posting setups that cost $800 total, and they are getting responses in under a second. The privacy angle matters just as much. When you run a model locally, your code, your data, your conversations, none of it leaves your machine. Zero data sent to any server. For companies handling sensitive code, that is not a small thing. The Hacker News thread that sparked this conversation had 839 upvotes in a single day. Developers sharing exactly which models they switch to, which hardware they use, and how much money they are saving. Real people, real results. Here is the bigger picture. The AI industry built its business model around the assumption that the best models would always require expensive cloud infrastructure. That assumption is cracking. When free models can match paid ones, the entire pricing structure of the AI industry gets questioned. The surprising takeaway? The companies that are most threatened by this are not the open source projects. They are the subscription services that charged you $20 a month for access to intelligence that is now available for free. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://t.ry.11labs.io/emfhbfp3yumn. It is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it, https://vidq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/?tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.